Hello students, myself Iqbal Singh. I'm faculty for Political Science and International Relations optional paper at Vajiram Ravi. Students, in this brief video, we're going to have a discussion on the PSIR optional batch, which we are starting at our institute on 20th of April 2025. Students, as you all must be very well aware, PSIR optional is one of the most popular choices among civil services aspirants. And the reason for that is its high success rate. High success rate of PSIR optional is attributed to the fact that the PSIR optional syllabus greatly overlaps with the GS syllabus, particularly GS paper 2, also the ethics paper and the essay paper. PSIR students, they're bound to score good marks, not just in the optional paper, but also in the ethics papers, in the GS paper, and also the essay paper, which gives them competitive edge over their competitors. Moreover, students, talking about the PSIR optional course at our institute, we are a team of 2 teachers teaching the course. My esteemed colleague Dr. Sushant Verma takes up lectures for PSIR paper 1, and I will take all the classes for PSIR paper 2. If I tell you briefly about the syllabus, PSIR paper 1 have topics like political theory, political ideologies, Western political thought, Indian political thought, and Indian government and politics. And in the PSIR paper 2, there are topics like international relations theory, IR-related concepts, also international organizations, regional organizations, the study of evolution of the international political order, comparative politics, and India and the world. That means India's relationship with other countries, India's foreign policy. And as far as the course in our institute is concerned, students, our approach is to provide one-stop solution to our students. We want that when your classes are over here, you should be exam ready. Therefore, we focus on lucid explanation of all topics instead of mere dictation of notes in the classroom. Our objective is to help you develop in-depth theoretical understanding and conceptual clarity of all the topics which is required to do good in this examination. Also, students, we firmly believe that you cannot succeed in this exam if you do not have answer writing abilities. Therefore, answer writing program, test series is an integral part of our course. We do hold weekly tests, sectional tests, full-length tests, and also model answers are provided to students. Detailed feedback is given to students so they are able to develop answer writing capabilities. In fact, we also do a detailed study of all previous year questions in our classes. Students, we also provide well-researched, concise, and exam-ready study material of all the topics to our students, which is more than sufficient to attempt all sort of questions in the examination. Students, we also greatly value your time. Our commitment that we are supposed to finish the course in a comprehensive manner and in a time-bound manner. We conduct our classes very professionally, and within 5.5 months, we're able to finish the course so that you all can plan for your prelims examination and mains examination accordingly. Also, students, PSIR mentorship program is part of our course. PSIR faculty members, that's myself and my colleague Dr. Sushant Verma, will be always available for students so that we are able to handhold them and help them sail through uncharted waters of the civil services exam preparation. So students, these are the hallmarks of our PSIR optional course at Vajiram Ravi. I hope to see you in the classes, and if you're interested to get more information regarding the course, then there's a QR code down here on the screen. You can scan the QR code and get more detailed information regarding the batch, PSIR batch, which is starting on 20th of April 2025. Thank you, students. Thank you so much.